Growing knowledge. In ancient times, people used signs, gestures, and drawings to communicate because they did not have proper language. They made sounds like animals and later learned to give certain sounds special meanings. As time passed, these sounds turned into words and speaking, leading to tools like writing, numbers, and printing that changed the world. The story of paper. About 1900 years ago, the Chinese learned to make paper by separating fibers from tree bark, soaking them, and then drying them into sheets. In Egypt, people used the papyrus plant to create writing sheets. Although Egyptians used papyrus, the true invention of paper came from the Chinese and later spread to Europe. The story of writing. At first, people passed on knowledge by talking, but it was hard to remember everything. They began drawing pictures of animals and hunting scenes to share their ideas. Over time, these pictures turned into symbols and then scripts. The Sumerians were the first to use a script, and the Egyptians used over 2,000 hieroglyphic symbols. In India, early writing from the Indus Valley led to the development of the Brahmi script, which later influenced many Indian scripts like Devanagari used for Hindi. The story of numbers. When people started farming and raising animals, they needed a way to count. They first used sticks, stones, and fingers. In India, people began by counting on their fingers from 1 to 10 and later invented the number 0 and the decimal system. These ideas were adopted by the Arabs and spread to the Western world. So today we use what are called Indo-Arabic numbers. The story of printing. Before printing, books were copied by hand by scribes, which took a long time. In China, printing started but did not become very popular. The first printing press was invented in Germany by Johann Gutenberg. He made small metal letters called types and used them to print the Bible, making books cheaper and easier to produce. Today, modern printing presses use computers to print books, magazines, and newspapers. Literacy and progress. Being able to read and write is very important for a nation to progress. Literate and skilled people help build strong, productive societies. In India, many people are still learning to read and write. So the government has started programs like the Each One Teach One campaign and offers free education to help everyone learn. Braille script. The Braille system helps blind people read and write. It was invented by Louis Braille, a blind Frenchman. Braille uses 6 dots arranged in 2 columns so that a person can feel them with their fingers. This system allows blind students to learn and compete with others in education. Today, books in Braille are available all around the world.